In this video, I'm going to show you how to flatten a PDF in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here, and of course, you want to add some comments or whatever you're adding to your PDF. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add a text box, which is going to say hello. I'm also going to put on some typewriter here, which is going to say hey there. And then I'm going to also do a call out, for example, over here, and I'm just going to type in a few dots like this. And as you can see, as of right now, all of these things are editable. So I can just click on these, drag them around, stuff like that. Of course, I can move them, edit them, do whatever I want with them, which is of course nice. However, if you want to flatten this so you can basically disable this editing, you can put on whatever you want here. You could put on arrows, rectangles, you could do whatever here, and then you have to go to the comment tab up top here, and you want to click on flatten at the very top right. So when you click on flatten, it's going to basically ask you for the page range. I'm just going to do everything, and I'm going to leave everything as flattened over here, and I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see now, if I go to the hand tool, I can't actually move these things anymore. I cannot edit them, I cannot remove them, I cannot do anything because it's been flattened, okay? Now, another way to do this, let me actually remove this. There we go. You could also go to up here where it says review, and then of course you could flatten comments and just do flatten or flatten comments over here, and then basically the same thing can be achieved over here as well, okay? So that's how you achieve this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.